What is up, guys? So today is going to be a different video, but it's very special. So today I'm getting my first Speedcube, and oh my goodness, am I excited. Holy cow. Oh my, look at that beauty. Oh my goodness. This is my first real Speedcube. Okay, time to take it out of the box. This packaging is kind of confusing. I think I just broke it. Did I? No, I didn't break it. Okay. Okay. Comes with a little screwdriver for tensioning it. And the package. Comes with a little pamphlet. This, okay. It's like how to solve a Rubik's Cube. It comes with stickers, guys. Yes, I've never gotten a cube like this, because I've never gotten a Speedcube. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hang on, what is this? It says, meet your all imagination eye opener. I guess it's an eye opener cube. I don't know what it actually is. Anyway, oh baby, 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 I'm so happy. Okay, it comes with packaging. That means it's probably not going to be too dusty. Oh my, I'm excited. This is my first one. Okay. Oh, wow. Very, very greasy, actually. Okay. So, it's a lot lighter. So just holding it, you can tell it's much lighter. No! No! I'm gonna keep this next to me so it doesn't fly away again. Oh, you can just tell it's a lot lighter than any Rubik's Sprint cube, because that's pretty much all I have. Oh wow. So very greasy. I don't know. I think I've watched a lot of unboxing videos and a lot of Rubik's Cube unboxing videos. It's pretty sure a lot of cubes come like that. At least, well, it's not dusty. Anyway, which turns? Oh, that's gonna be a big issue. I seriously turned it twice, and a piece popped out. That's not good. Okay, I'm gonna have to really tighten this a lot. Okay. And as you can tell, I'm not a fast keeper. Okay, this is a very good cube. I'm definitely gonna have to tighten it, so I'll just do that. Oh, these caps don't really want to come off. Okay, got one off. Put that under my leg. Came with a little screwdriver. Okay. Okay, here, I'm gonna put the camera closer. You can't really see anything I'm doing right now, so. Yeah, that's much better. Okay. So, okay, so, gonna have to tighten this. Oh my, does it not tighten? Am I even tightening it? This doesn't really want to tighten right now. I mean, it's fine without being tightened. This is a very nice cube. Wow. This is very nice. I'm gonna do a lot of solves with this. Oh my goodness. This just doesn't want to come off. What the heck? Most cubes, the cap can just Okay, that's... Yeah. Anyway, the first one didn't tighten, so let's take a look at these stickers. What am I doing? There we go. So what do you think of this cube? That's blue if you can't. Goodness me, what is wrong with this? I'll try to, there we go. Can't exactly block the sun very well. Anyway, so what do you think of this cube? Here are the shades. I really like these shades. They're very nice. Stickers. Center stickers are a little... The white's alright. Actually, no, they're all fine. They're all fine. Anyway, I really like this cube. Hopefully... And this is just first turns. There's not really any problem with overturning, which I really like, because my Rubik's brand Speedcube, I have one of those, and it has a big problem with overturning. So, comment down below if you like it. It's really nice. This is my first real Speedcube. I've had a stickerless cube before. But never had a real nice Speedcube. So, yeah, I guess that's that. I don't want to end it right now, though, because I might show you just some things with it, I don't know. Yeah, but it is very nice. I love these shades. Very nice. The red, I don't know. The orange and red, probably my least favorite. Blue and green are my favorite, though. They're orange and red. I don't know. It's just like the same stickers in there, so I can't really change it at all. Oh, dang, I forgot to test corner cutting. Okay. Wow. Oh, wow. Normal corner cutting is very good. You can almost go from halfway. You can go halfway, actually. That is very good, wow. I've never had a cube this good. If you're a cuber out there, you're probably like, wow, that's like the worst cube I've ever bought. But this is the best cube I've ever bought, because I have like a bunch of Rubik's brand cubes, and call me irresponsible, but I lost my other kind of Speedcube. It was not nearly as good as this. It was a stickerless cube, and it was really cool. I lost it. I'll probably find it someday. But wow, this is just so cool. And I gotta check this brand, bro. Where did this come from? I guess an eye opener cube? I have no idea. It just says eye opener on it. Not really anything else except, yeah, I have no idea. But I guess it's just an eye opener cube. I don't know if that's the real thing. Yeah, I guess it is. Eye opener. Okay, there's these directions. I'm just gonna like look at these. They're in a different language, of course, because pretty much all of these. Oh wait, no, they're translated too. Okay, so I blah blah blah. Okay, shows you how to solve the white side. No, it doesn't. I don't know. Anyway, this is really cool. This is without a doubt. Hang on, I'm gonna change this camera angle. So I changed the angle so you can definitely see it much better right now. I don't know why it just didn't start like this. Sorry if that whole footage was bad. No, but this is a without a doubt, obviously, is gonna be my main. I'm not even a speed solver, guys. I'm gonna scramble it. I know this sounds really weird, but I kind of like how it looks when it's scrambled. Looks really cool. I'm just gonna solve it. Just see if it's. Okay, I'm not even trying to go fast right now, guys. Ooh, baby, I messed up. So kind of locked right there. Yeah, this is very nice. I'm not trying to go fast right now, but I'm actually kind of just trying to show you how it turns and stuff. Yeah, it's I would definitely recommend this cube if you're starting speed solving, I guess. I'm not even starting speed solving or anything. Guys, I'm not trying to go fast right now, and I just got it a lot faster than I'm about to get it a lot faster than I would, I guess. Yeah, guys, I just solved it in like a minute or something, I don't know. And I wasn't even trying to go fast either. But yeah, corner cutting is not an issue. It sometimes locks. Yeah, but corner cutting is very good. Yeah, when you're doing reverse corner cutting, it locks. Sometimes. Other times, sometimes it kind of just locks. Oh, I forgot. Gotta look at the inside of this. Oh wow, I didn't realize, I forgot to say this, but you can just feel that it's very lubed. Look at that. Oh, dang. Yeah, so I forgot that the lens is on this side and not this side. So, it's pretty cool. You know? That's a very nice cube. I mean, or at least the best one I've ever held, ever turned, anything. Sorry, I'm gonna popped. Dude, I think I just accidentally scrambled it. Oh yeah. So I just scrambled it, and that popped. Hopefully I didn't put that in the wrong way, because it was like scrambled. So, so when I'm going too fast, it kind of pops. That might be a problem. I'll try to tighten it as much as I can later, because it's kind of loose right now. So yeah, that's probably gonna be an issue, but it's alright, whatever. Yeah, so, here, I guess I will see you later.